Are you looking for the best binoculars for Alaska cruise? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best binoculars for Alaska cruise on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Celestron Nature DX 8x42 Binoculars. The Celestron Nature DX 8x42 binoculars are the ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, offering sharp, detailed views in a lightweight, rugged design. With 8x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, they strike a perfect balance between portability and powerful viewing, great for bird watching, hiking, and general outdoor exploration. Fully multi-coated lenses and face-coated back, for prisms deliver bright, color-accurate images with excellent contrast in a variety of lighting conditions. The binoculars are built to endure the elements, featuring a waterproof and nitrogen-purged, rubber-armored polycarbonate housing that resists fog, rain, and accidental drops. A 7.4 degrees wide angular field of view makes it easy to track moving subjects and scan large areas. Plus, the built-in tripod adapter socket allows for stable, shake-free viewing over longer sessions. Backed by Celestron's limited lifetime US warranty and expert customer support, these binoculars provide reliable performance and peace of mind for years to come. Number 2. Nikon MONARCH M7. The Nikon MONARCH M7 binoculars represent the next evolution in Nikon's iconic line, delivering unmatched optical performance and rugged reliability for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. With advanced features like extra-low dispersion, ED, glass, multilayer dielectric prism coatings, and phase-corrected roof prisms, the MONARCH M7 ensures crystal-clear images, vibrant color fidelity, and sharp resolution from edge to edge, even in low light. Available in both 8x and 10x magnifications with 30mm or 42mm objectives, these binoculars offer options for wide, immersive viewing or compact portability. The 8x42 model delivers an impressive field of view up to 435 feet at 1,000 yards, ideal for spotting birds or tracking wildlife in expansive landscapes. Designed for real-world use, the M7 features waterproof and fog-proof construction, oil, and water-repellent lens coatings for easy cleaning, a locking diopter, and long eye relief with turn-and-slide rubber eye cups for comfort with or without glasses. Weighing as little as 16.4 ounces, the MONARCH M7 binoculars are both lightweight and durable, perfect for every adventure from the backcountry to the backyard. Number 3. Vortex Optics Viper Prism Binoculars. The Vortex Viper HD 8x42 binoculars are premium, full-sized optics designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts, especially hunters and wildlife observers. Featuring 8x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, they strike the perfect balance between powerful zoom and a wide field of view, offering 409 feet at 1,000 yards. The high-density optical system provides outstanding resolution and edge-to-edge clarity, while XR anti-reflective lens coatings ensure bright, vivid images even in low-light conditions. Built for rugged use, the Viper HD is argon-purged and O-ring sealed for waterproof and fog-proof performance, with a rubber-armored chassis and scratch-resistant Armatech lens coating. It also includes a locking right-eye diopter for personalized focus, a smooth center focus wheel, and twist-up eye cups for comfortable eye relief. To top it off, it comes with the glass-back chest harness, offering convenient, protected, and strain-free carry in the field. This binocular is ideal for those who demand clarity, durability, and top-tier performance in their optics. Number 4. Celestron 71008 Binoculars. The Celestron SkyMaster 25x70 binoculars are powerful, large-aperture optics designed for serious stargazers and long-distance terrestrial viewers. Featuring 25x magnification and massive 70mm objective lenses, they deliver bright, ultra-sharp views, especially ideal for low-light or nighttime use. Equipped with high-quality back, for prisms, these binoculars maximize light transmission for clearer, more detailed images. The durable, rubber-armored housing ensures a secure grip and added protection, while their water-resistant design makes them reliable in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Due to their size and magnification power, they are best used with a tripod, and they conveniently include a 1/4-20 adapter for fast setup. Trusted by outdoor enthusiasts and backed by Celestron's limited lifetime US warranty and expert support, the SkyMaster 25x70 offers exceptional performance and value for astronomy and long-range observation. Number 5. Adorrgon 12x42 HD Binoculars. The Adorrgon 12x42 binoculars are a powerful yet lightweight option for outdoor enthusiasts, weighing just 1.1 pounds, significantly lighter than many full-size models. With a wide 367 feet per 1,000 yards field of view and the ability to capture clear images from over 650 feet away, they are ideal for bird watching, hunting, sports events, and concerts. These binoculars feature advanced fully multi-coated optics and a large 16.5mm BAK for prism lens for brighter, clearer views even in low-light conditions. The 18.5mm large eyepieces provide a brighter and larger image compared to smaller models, enhancing detail and comfort. Included is a 2025 upgraded universal phone adapter with quick setup and a secure triple lock system, fitting virtually any smartphone. Also included is a 360-degree rotatable, stable tripod with reinforced legs and non-slip rubber feet, allowing for easy photography and smooth tracking of subjects. Perfect for capturing and sharing distant moments with clarity and ease.